Hello po, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang ipapakita ko po sa inyo ngayong na video ay ang pagluluto ko, my way version of cooking roast chicken. At isa po yan sa paborito ng aking asawa at saka ng anak. Yan po aking one of my specialty. Ang magluto ng roast chicken. At dito po sa aking video, malalaman po ninyo na pag ako ay nagluluto ng gulay, at saka roast chicken, normally dalawa po yung niluluto kong roast chicken, ganyan. Kasi lalo na if meron pong offer na buy one and the second chicken is like on offer, ganyan. Para bang you're paying only half for the second chicken, ganyan. Kaya bibiling ko yun at lulutuin ko na yun all together at one time. Kasi yung leftover po noon ay nagagamit po namin the next day. Ginagamit po namin sandwich o kaya panghalo-halo sa omelette, ganyan. At ganun din po ang gulay. Isahan akong magluto ng gulay. Bibili ako ng malaking cauliflower at saka ng cabbage at saka kung ano man yun. Pag ako nagluto na, lulutuin ko na lahat yun kasi kung may leftover yun, ginagawa ko pong snack, pinaka-snack ko o kaya the next day yun ulit ang vegetable namin na side dish ng kung ano man yung ulam na ma-decide namin. Ganyan po. At saka I wash it, put it here in the pan, and then I will put this salt and pepper and garlic powder. Tanggalin ko yung mga taba-taba doon sa puwetan ng manok. Yan, kasi maano po yun, mataba-taba po doon. At saka yun po ay not good for the health. Pang cholesterol yun. %50 of sausage. They call it chipolata. Pork chipolata sausage. Okay, I pinch to do that so it won't burst when it's cooking. Alright, potato skin is not being peeled. I keep it because it is also rich in vitamin and also good roughage. So just wash it, scrub it, so and now it is ready to go in the oven. Preheated oven or 180 degrees centigrade. There you are. Okay, and then it will be on 180 degrees centigrade. And it will be cooking for 2 hours. I'm going to make the gravy for the roast chicken, because the British they eat the roast chicken with gravy sauce and accompanied by this roast chicken is accompanied by boiled vegetable. Yeah, this is cabbage, and this is cauliflower. Yeah, cauliflower. For the gravy, 1 spoon of gravy. Put it in a cold water, small cold water. Yeah, just enough to melt the gravy. And then and stir continuously. Yeah. Alright, sausage and chicken requires different time to cook. sausage an hour, and chicken 2 hours at if the chicken is 1.5 kilogram at 180 degrees centigrade. So check and turn the sausage after half an hour and the chicken to turn after an hour. This is to cook and brown evenly sausage and chicken. Ay, sorry.
Let me do that.
Yeah. Want to do it?
Yeah, you might burn yourself.
So this is the fluid from your roast. So I'll put it here and I'll show you how many fats there is in one chicken. So I'll put here. Here in this container, and I will show you how many fats there will be in the roast chicken. I think that is 1.2 kilogram of chicken.
Right, we've got a nice Black Stallion Napa Valley Chardonnay. One of your favorites. Go well with the chicken.
So this is now the roast chicken, and these are the vegetables and the gravy. All right, la. Bon appetito.
Bon appetit.
Cheese.
Nice Napa Valley Chardonnay.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's nice. Where is my fork? Thank you. At our age, we don't eat the skin anymore, and because it's not good for your cholesterol. This age where you are already bound to have high blood pressure and cholesterol, so avoid eating the skin as it rich in cholesterol and fats. So this is the leftover that can be used for sandwich tomorrow. And I always cook extra potato, that one, for snacking tomorrow. You can make it with omelette. I'm buying a big portion of cauliflower, and whatever left over, I boiled it all, and whatever left over can be used for snacks the next day. I just use labneh for a dip. I'll show you what is a labneh. So this is where this is the cauliflower, leftover cauliflower, and this is the cabbage, leftover cabbage. I put the remaining gravy sauce there, which tomorrow I can use it as a snack. And for this one, labneh, I normally dip cauliflower here in this labneh. See, this is labneh. It's like a cheese, light cheese. Yeah, this is like a light cheese. Okay, so this is labneh. Yeah, I have the stacks of labneh, and I'll put the vegetable there. Yeah, and that's it. This is the sauce that you remove from the roast chicken, and I'm going to put it here in the freezer. Yeah, so the oil will set in. As you can see, the oil is there. Yeah, it will set in, and I'll show you tomorrow, so you will know how many fats that goes into your body if you will cook it like adobo and using the sauce, or like sinigang, tinola, and you don't remove the skin. So the amount of fats I'm going to show you. Hanggang dito na lang po ang aking video, at sana po ay naibigan ninyo at may nakapulutan kayo ng something informations that is useful into your life. At kung hindi pa po kayo nag-subscribe, please paki-subscribe po at gusto niyo i-share, paki-share din po please. At saka thumbs up sa aking video at piligro pa rin ang virus. Matapang pa rin siya. Okay, hanggang dito na lang po. Paalam na po. God bless. I love you. Bye!